Hello, Gator Nursing family. I am so excited to share an incredible opportunity launching this January, which will transform how we care, lead, and inspire boldly. Let me introduce you to Focus Fridays. Focus Fridays are an intentional time each week where our entire college, students, faculty, staff, alumni, and friends of the college can come together to make an impact. Whether it's through hands-on community service, sharpening your clinical skills, connecting with university events, or taking time to focus on professional development, these Fridays are designed with purpose. So one of the most exciting parts is that every month, our entire Gator Nursing community will unite for a college-wide community service project. Imagine the power of all of us coming together to give back. It is what being a Gator nurse is all about. To ensure we fully embrace this initiative, all Friday classes, clinicals, and meetings have been rescheduled. But let me be clear, these Fridays are not free days. They are your opportunity to grow, to serve, and to lead with purpose. I cannot wait to see how Focus Fridays will bring us closer as a college and as a community. Together, we're setting the standard for excellence and leadership in nursing. Stay tuned for more details and let us make Focus Fridays the heart of what it means to be a Gator nurse. Go Gators!